You got any 2s?
No, go fish.
Aw, man.
You got any 5s?
Goldfish.
No, it's go fish. Hey, no, those are my goldfish. I made them. You can't eat them.
What? They're good. I'll save some for later.
No, those are special gadget goldfish. I made them as a special dino tool. They make you run slower, though I haven't tested them yet.
Well, it works.
I'm sorry, I should have mentioned it earlier, but don't worry, it should wear off in an hour. I wanted to add to our gadget collection. You know, like, what does this one do? Did I do that?
We should go. Look, a Brachiosaurus. Maybe she's looking for food. Wait, she's heading towards the west sector.
West sector. There's Golgi plants there. They're dangerous for a Brachiosaurus. They're poisonous. She can't eat them. I better go over there and remove them. Golgi plants are also itchy for humans. We could get a rash, so I gotta be careful. What do I need this for? All right, Park Ranger, out.
Oh, man.
You stay here and guard the gadgets.
Oh, man, okay. I always get the boring job. Huh? What's that? I better check it out. Whoa, a footprint. 3 claws, kind of small. Smelly feet. This must be Draco Rex footprint, one of the herbivores. Another one! I should find this guy to make sure it's not in danger. Whoa-ho! I'm going on an adventure! A long adventure. A hot adventure. Man, this Dracorex walked far. But I gotta try Sarah's stop. This is how the big dinosaurs must feel. Slow.
Now, according to this map, I should just be coming to the west sector. I just have to pass Pterodactyl Lake. Wait a minute. This doesn't look right. I have never been this way before. And there is no lake here? Man, the map is upside down. I can't believe this, Park Ranger Darren. You've been heading the wrong way the whole time. Help! Man, hope this bug thinks I'm a sandwich. Gotcha. All right. Back on track. This way.
Oh no! This footprint was from a velociraptor, not a Draco Rex! Oh no! I grabbed the wrong gadget! It sees me, but I can't run fast yet! Goldfish! Here, you hungry buddy! Catch me if you can, Raptor! Good. It doesn't see me anymore. Oh no! I'm stuck! Park Ranger Darren! I'm stuck next to a raptor! Help! Help!
I copy that. I'm on my way. I gotta go. Park Ranger Asher's in trouble. Let me get this one last vine.
No, Uh-oh.
Okay, Mr. Cranky, time for you to take a nap. Or are you already taking a nap now?
I threw a goldfish.
Oh. Free. Okay, you ready to do this, Park Ranger?
Yeah.
The fast one, he dodged all our sleepy darts.
That's bad.
Uh-oh. Oh, so that's what that's for.
Guess it's a good thing I grabbed a chicken.
Yeah. Let's go!
Thanks for your help. I gotta learn the dino feet better.
Yeah, and we both gotta learn to grab the right gadget. I almost grabbed that rubber chicken too.
One time, Park Ranger Tara grabbed a whoopee cushion.
No.
Yup. It was funny until the T-Rex chased us. Run!
Park rangers seem to run a lot.
Yeah, sorry I left base camp. I just wanted to do something awesome like the adult park rangers.
But you always do awesome things. Remember that time you saved Park Ranger Tara from the T-Rex?
Oh yeah, right after it sneezed on her.
Oh. But listen, I promise we will rotate jobs so you don't always get the boring ones.
Okay.
Park Ranger promise?
Roar!
All right, let's go get something to eat.
Yeah!
Goji!
Goji Rush!
I'm scratchy. Oh, give me a stick.
Don't scratch it!
I'm a Scratchosaurus.
Oh, brother.